John Miller here with Hive Lighting, and I wanted to show you quickly how to mount the Mini Source 4 to any of our C-Series lights. So you're going to need three things to mount this optic. The first is going to be your lens and barrel from a Mini Source 4. The second, your mini adapter plate from Hive Lighting. The third is a small Allen wrench that comes with your mini adapter plate. So the first thing you're going to want to do, loosen the screws that are on the front face of your C-Series light. You're going to want to give this a couple turns, but not too many so that the screw comes out. Then you're going to take your adapter plate, place it on the face of the light, twist it into the position you want, and then tighten that exact same screw so it's secure. Take the Mini Source 4 lens and barrel, and you're going to want to look at the back, which is a keyed mounting bayonet. Line up the back of the barrel with the mounting adapter plate, spin into position, then lock in place by tightening down the thumb screw on the side of the adapter plate. Once this is completed, you're done. If you want to learn more about our optics or see more of our how-to videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website, hivelighting.com.